Hello everyone, welcome to Biz Innovate. I am Neeraj. Our today's topic is pricing methods. We have product gold ring which we selling into single units in wholesale price list. See, we have entered this product into wholesale for 10 USD. If I go to price list, single unit, pricing method, currency amount 10 USD. Pretty simple. Let's assume now we want to have a different pricing method. We have defined standard cost 10 USD, current cost 12 USD and list price 16 USD. Now see what happens when we use different pricing methods. Percent of list, rounding policy, none as of now. Since the list price is 16, this price coming 17.6, which is the 10% on top of 16. $7.6. Let's also talk about rounding policy. If I say up, oops, it is 18. If I say down, and it is 17. So I trust it is clear to you what is the meaning of percent of list. Second is percent markup and current cost. See, current cost is 12, percent 10, so amount is coming 13.20. Similarly, percent markup and standard cost. Ten is standard cost, so it is coming 11. Percent margin and current cost is coming 13.33. How come? 10% of 13.33 is 1.33. So 13.33 minus 1.33 is equal to 12. Similarly, percent margin and standard cost 11.11. 10% of 11.11 is 1.11. This minus 1.11 is 10. So the standard cost. I trust now all pricing methods and rounding policy is clear to you. Thank you. To see more demonstrations of this kind, please subscribe. Thank you.